So I'm not very impressed with this laser light. I thought it would be a direct beam, but it's not. It's possible to adjust the edge or the lens on this laser light to produce these star-like formations, to adjust the head of the laser. I'm just moving it now. But there's no single pointed beam. Let me change it again, one moment. So I've sort of unscrewed it most of the way at the edge end here. It's hard to see. Whoa. This adjusts by being rotated. So does this adjusts the pattern, turning this end piece around, and then this lower layer here, lower lens, can be adjusted back and forward. One moment. Which just changes the density of the pattern again. Rotating the end past does this. But let me take off the end. Let me take off the end of the laser, and there is a single beam, but it's a bit broad. One moment. So here I remove the whole end section, and it does come with a single beam, although it's very broad. Very big, bright. But I wish it had this without having to take the lens off. A nice strong laser light for shining in the distance in the woods or something is helpful, but I have to take the whole end off the laser in order to get it to do this, which isn't helpful.